Hey everyone! This is Gayatri from YouthBuddy. Dear students, job seekers, travel enthusiasts, and all the young sharp minds tuning in. If you are someone who is planning to move to Australia for studies, work, travel, or even to settle down, but feeling confused about which visa to choose, this is especially for you. Let's be honest, one of the biggest struggles, student comparing different visa types confused, but even before that, choosing the right visa. There are so many options: visitor visa, student visa, work visa, and it can get really confusing. You might be thinking, what if I choose the wrong one, or which visa is best for my situation? And because of this confusion, many people delay their plans or keep overthinking. Don't worry, we've got a super simple solution for you: getting visa guidance for Australia, information from YouthBuddy. Let me quickly tell you how you can explore and use this in an easy way. Visit the YouthBuddy website, go to the career section, then click on Passport and Visa under Abroad, and select Australia. This gives you clear and simple information about different types of visas and how to apply for them, all in one place. Now let's break it down in a very simple way. First, understand the main types of visas available. If you are planning a short trip, like tourism, business visit, or meeting family, then a visitor visa is what you need. If your goal is to study in Australia, then you should go for a student visa. This is for students who got admission into an Australian college or university. If you are planning to work in Australia, there are work visas. For example, there's the temporary skill shortage visa, which allows skilled workers to work for a limited time, and also employer-sponsored visas, where a company supports your application. If you want to join your family members who are already in Australia, then you can apply for family or partner visas. These are for spouses, parents, or relatives of Australian citizens or permanent residents. If your goal is to settle permanently, then you can look into permanent residency visas. These are for people who want to live, work, and build their future in Australia long-term. So depending on your goal, you can choose the right visa type. Now once you understand the visa type, let's quickly see how to use this information step by step. First, check the required documents. This is very important. You'll usually need your passport, photographs, financial proof like bank statements, and documents related to your purpose, like admission letter or job offer. Next, move to the application process. You can apply online through the official Australian immigration website by creating something called an ImmiAccount. Once you create it, you can fill out your application form easily. After that, upload your documents and pay the visa fee. Make sure everything is clear and correct before submitting. Then, you may need to complete biometrics and a health check. This depends on your visa type, but don't worry, the process is straightforward. Finally, track your application. You can log in anytime and check your status. Once approved, you'll receive your visa details via email. Simple, right? Now why is this information really helpful? You get updated details about all visa types in one place. Everything is explained in a very simple and easy to understand way. And you can choose what fits your situation without confusion. And the benefits: it saves your time, removes all that confusion about visa types, and gives you the confidence to move forward with your plans. This is especially useful for students, job seekers, travelers, and even people planning to settle abroad. So instead of feeling stuck or confused, you can now take clear steps towards your Australia journey. Stay tuned for more useful info. For more details, click the link in description or explore it directly in the Passport and Visa under Abroad in the career section on the YouthBuddy website. Yours Gayatri from YouthBuddy, signing off.